about working, connecting, and entertaining yourself in a seamless, luxurious environment. But as with any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges to be tackled. Hyperconnectivity in cars, as incredible as it sounds, is not without its hurdles. One of the most pressing issues is data privacy. With the seamless flow of data comes the potential for misuse. Personal information, location data, and sensitive communications could be at risk if not properly secured. It's a delicate balance, providing cutting-edge connectivity while ensuring your data remains private and secure. Another challenge is equitable access. The technology behind hyper-connected cars is expensive, and not everyone can afford a luxury vehicle. There's a risk of creating a digital divide on the road where only the privileged few can enjoy the benefits of this technology. So how do we address these challenges? The solution lies in robust regulations and innovative thinking. Regulations need to keep pace with technological advancements, ensuring data privacy and equitable access are prioritized. Innovative solutions could make this technology more accessible, perhaps through shared mobility options or affordable retrofitting solutions for older vehicles. But let's not forget, these challenges are part and parcel of progress. They're obstacles to be overcome on the road to a future where our cars are more than just vehicles. They're an extension of our digital lives. Imagine a future where your car is a mobile office, a digital entertainment center, and a tech hub, all rolled into one. A world where you can catch up on work, connect with friends, or unwind with a movie, all while enjoying a comfortable ride. It's a future where your car knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and creates a personalized experience that's as unique as you are. In this future, your car is more than just a mode of transport. It's a part of your lifestyle, a testament to your taste, and a symbol of your digital savvy. So Gearheads, get ready for a future where your car is more than just a mode of transport. It's an extension of your digital life, a rolling haven of productivity and entertainment. Buckle up, the future of luxury driving is